Hi, I'm Allison, your surveyor. You should have had a letter telling you of my visit today. I'll be doing a survey of your home and telling you about WHQS.
Oh, yes. I knew you were coming today. Can you remind me what WHQS is about?
Well, WHQS is a fancy name for something simple. It stands for Welsh Housing Quality Standards, which are set by the government. All our homes have to meet this standard. It's all about making sure everyone has a safe, comfortable, and healthy home that is affordable and easier to keep warm. That means lots of homes in Wales need updating.
Sounds good. What am I having done at my house?
It will be different for everyone and depends on the age and type of your home. We'll assess windows, doors, roofs, insulation, heating, ventilation, as well as kitchens, bathrooms, and flooring.
Oh, right. When will all this start? I can't wait for some improvements.
It's actually already started, but we'll be working over the next few years on this. We'll work closely with you and talk to you about what we're going to do and when.
Sounds like it could be a lot of work.
Don't worry. We'll provide any support you need and make sure you know how to work any new equipment. At the end of the work, we'll provide you with a certificate to show that your home meets the standard. Now, let's get cracking on your survey so we can decide what can be done. It should take about an hour.
Come on in. I'll make you a cuppa.
If you would like any more info on Welsh Housing Quality Standards, please contact your landlord. They're always there to help.